Hey everyone, the moment we've all been waiting for has arrived. Daniele Melandry has officially launched his Midjourney Photography Prompts package, and let me tell you, it's truly a game changer. I've come across many creative tools in my years, but this is something that will revolutionize the digital artist world. Whether you're just starting out and finding your creative footing or a seasoned pro looking for a fresh spark of inspiration, this is tailor-made for you. Now, I won't give away all the secrets because what's the fun in that, right? But picture this. Having a key that unlocks a world of boundless creativity. Yes, it's that remarkable. But you don't have to take my word for it. Witness it for yourself. But you got to act quickly though. The buzz is already spreading, and I've got a hunch that this is already in high demand because it just launched today and the price is set to increase soon. So stay with me here. I don't want you to miss out on securing the best deal and bonuses. Hey there everyone, Ryan Nilsson here. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out my channel. Today, I'm here with the promotional launch of Midjourney Photography Prompts, which comes to an end at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time on Monday, October 30th. Now, before we get into the details of this, at any time during this review of Midjourney Photography Prompts, you can click the link in the description below this video. It'll take you directly here to my bonus page. And on my bonus page are yellow buttons where you can click on there to get your copy and secure your bonuses. It'll take you directly to the sales page where you would just scroll down and add to cart and pick up your copy. So we're going to go into the details now. So what is Midjourney Photography Prompts really all about? Well, meet this spectacular Midjourney Photography Prompts mega bundle, meticulously crafted to kickstart the creation of stunning, lifelike AI images. These 400 pre-packaged AI-driven ultra-realistic photography prompts aren't a passing trend. They are the secret to unlocking a new level of digital artistry. They're perfect for igniting fresh concepts for your upcoming ventures, whether it's designing posters, home decor, frame prints, cards, and more, or propelling yourself into the highly paid AI artistry field. No need to be a seasoned artist to excel here. Just pick a prompt, let the AI weave its magic, make a few tweaks if desired, and there you have it, an instant masterpiece. This isn't just a product, it's a game changer, poised to empower anyone looking to establish their dominance in the digital art arena. So how much does this cost for these 400 prepackaged AI-driven photography prompts? Well, the front end is only $10, $9.97 for the whole package of 400 prompts. Can't beat that. And it's pretty simple. All you have to do is access Midjourney and use these prompts. And if you like what you see, great. If not, tweak them a little bit until you like what you see. Now, just so you know, when you decide to get this, there's going to be an order bump option, which is $7 to expand your collection with an additional package of 200 photography prompts. So just wanted to give you a heads up on there. There's 3 one-time offers. OTO number 1 is Midjourney Digital Art Prompts. OTO number 2 is Additional Arts Prompts. And OTO number 3 is AI Midjourney Prompts Generator. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to my bonuses and let you know what those are. There's a picture of Daniel, and he's an online marketing expert looking to help marketers and online businesses increase results and success. So just by picking up this $10 front end of Midjourney Photography Prompts, you'll get all of these bonuses below. Bonus number 1, free unlimited AI videos, which this shows you how to use free tools to create unlimited AI videos. Bonus number 2 is content marketing blueprint. This is how to create and distribute content to build an audience and create a successful business. And bonus number 3 is a ChatGPT masterclass. So you'll learn all about ChatGPT from the beginning until the end, and you'll get as much detail as you want inside of this masterclass. Bonus number 4 is the Facebook Ultimate Traffic Trick. You can create traffic magnets and get free targeted traffic using this training. And then lastly, the vendor bonuses. I have those here on the sales page. You can scroll down to the bottom here. You'll get 400 ultra-realistic Midjourney photography prompts. So that's the front end. So just by picking up the front end, you'll get my bonuses as well as these 2 bonuses here. Example image for each prompt in the list so you can get an idea of results you can expect. And then another bonus, which is premium video course by Mike from Maine, where he shows you how he earns hundreds of dollars from simple YouTube videos and how you can too. That's pretty cool. So there's the button to click and get this copy for yourself. Now he has some frequently asked questions that I thought I'd go ahead and go through real quick. There's no restrictions. Every AI generated image is a unique piece, so any artwork you create based on them is entirely yours, whether for personal use or commercial purposes. What if I'm a beginner? Can I still benefit from these prompts? Absolutely. The prompts cater to artists at all levels. Can I modify or combine multiple prompts for a single artwork? Of course, the beauty of these prompts is their flexibility. Feel free to merge, modify, or reinterpret them as you see fit. Your creative journey is uniquely yours, and these are just stepping stones. And then how will I receive the prompts when it's purchased? Once your purchase is confirmed, you will receive a link for the Access spreadsheet, in which you will be organized for any access and navigation. And you can start using those prompts right away. All you have to do is log into Midjourney and take these prompts that you get from the spreadsheet and plug them in and go from there. And it'll take you a while to get through them all, I'm sure. So this gives you a little bit more information about what it's all about. And if you go back to my bonus page, I have all the details for the one-time offers, so you know ahead of time before you get inside of the funnel and start getting your front end and looking at your above and the one-time offers. So this is pretty much, in my opinion, a no-brainer when it comes to using Midjourney for photography prompts, because a lot of times the prompts are the hardest part in generating digital artistry. So if you decide you want this, just click the link in the description below this video. It'll take you directly here, and you can click on any of these yellow buttons. It'll take you to the sales page where you would actually find the cart to go ahead and check out. And then once you're checked out, Warrior Plus will thank you for your purchase with an email or a pop-up, and then you can access your purchase with the green button and then access your bonuses with the blue button. And that's pretty much it. It's all there. You'll have access to my bonuses as soon as you want them. If you want to go through what you purchased first, then by all means, go right ahead. The bonuses will still be there. And again, you have until Monday at midnight to take advantage of this special $9.95 offer for the front end of Midjourney Photography Prompts. Thank you so much. And if you like what you see here, please click on the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified of all my upcoming digital product reviews, software reviews, and course reviews. Thanks a lot, and make it a great day.